I had the opportunity to create a stunning mermaid braid hairstyle for my client, and I'm so excited to share the process with you. My client wanted a beautiful blend of braids and colors, so I got to work to bring her vision to life. So guys, stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So I started by prepping her hair off camera. First I washed her hair to make sure it was clean and ready for styling. Afterwards I applied the leave-in conditioner to hydrate her strands, followed by my homemade oil to nourish her scalp and lock in moisture. So I gently massaged the oil into her scalp to stimulate blood flow and made the process more relaxing. So once her hair was fully prepped, I moved on to the exciting part, braiding. For this look, we decided to use a mix of two extension colors, 27 and color 360. Off camera, I blended the two colors together to create a beautiful custom shade that would enhance the mermaid effect. So once the hair was mixed, I set the extension neatly on my braiding rack to keep everything organized and make the process smoother. So next, I began sectioning her hair into smaller neat parts as she requested smaller braids for a more detailed and elegant look. Using my braiding technique, I started by braiding each section to the length of her natural hair, and at the ends of each braid I secure it with a knot to ensure it stayed in place. So I carefully walked through her entire head, repeating this process until all sections were braided. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me at Ririwadinobi on Facebook and Instagram. Also at Twitter on TikTok. Thank you guys. About my advert, please guys, don't forget to not skip that advert. Please watch the advert to the end, guys. Thank you so much as you do so. I said we got a problem. They just a little the other one. Kinda guess I need to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like the other one. Kinda guess I said we got a problem. You're just like the other one. Kinda guess So to finish the style, I sprayed her hair with mousse to hold the coils in place and give the entire look a sleek and polished finish. Finally, I applied more of my homemade hair oil to her hair and scalp to add shine and keep her hair healthy and hydrated, which of course I did off camera. So the end results were absolutely breathtaking. I also went in with my blow dryer just to dry off the water from the braids to make sure the curls are really set and her hair is not dripping of water. So guys, this hair is so nice. The end result was absolutely breathtaking, a perfect combination of small neat braids and flowing mermaid curls, enhanced by gorgeous blend of extension colors 27 and 360. My client was thrilled with the outcome and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. The hairstyle is perfect for anyone looking for something unique and elegant and versatile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative hairstyle and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.